Hi, my name is Ishaan Kishore. I'm studying in Maharishi Vidya Mandir 3A. Now I'm at DIYA Robotics, learning blossoming robot. This is my final project, line following robot. Let's see the components. Arduino Uno, motor driver, buggy wheels, project builder, line sensor, cathedral wheel. When both sensor senses the white surface, the robot starts to move forward. When both sensors starts to sense the black surface, the robot starts to stop. Let's see the output.